Look at this chair, a simple piece of wood, transforming into liquid titanium and futuristic glass right before your eyes. This isn't just a cool effect. These videos are capturing millions of views in weeks. The world is obsessed with material evolution. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this magic. If you want to skyrocket your social media accounts and dominate the feed, you're in the right place. But before we reveal the secret prompts, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe. Join our community of creators who are winning the AI game. Let's get into it. First, open the file link provided in the video description and copy the entire text. Head over to ChatGPT, paste the content into the chat box and hit generate. This step initializes the specific instructions needed for the material evolution process. The AI will now present you with 10 different creative ideas for material transformations. You can choose any concept that fits your vision. For this tutorial, we are selecting example 1, the chair, which demonstrates a clear evolution from wood to advanced materials. Once the example is selected, the system will automatically provide you with 4 detailed image prompts and 3 specific video prompts. These are the technical blueprints we will use to ensure the visual quality and the smoothness of the movement. Now, navigate to the Flow website and click on the Create with Flow button to enter the production interface. In the Settings panel, make sure to select Image Mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for mobile compatibility, and choose the X4 option to generate 4 different variations of your image simultaneously. Return to ChatGPT and copy the prompt provided for image A. Go back to the Flow website, paste the prompt into the generation box and click Generate. In a few seconds, the AI will produce 4 different variations of the image. Review the results carefully, delete the 3 images that don't meet your requirements, and keep only the best one to use as your starting point. Repeat the same process for image B. Copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow and hit Generate. Again, you will receive 4 distinct versions. Curation is key here. Select the highest quality version that represents the final stage of the transformation, and remove the other 3 options to finalize your assets. Follow the exact same procedure for image C and image D. Copy the prompt for image C from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow and keep only the best result out of the 4, deleting the rest. Repeat this one last time for image D. By the end of this step, you have successfully generated and selected your 4 core images, A, B, C, and D. Now it is time to bring these images to life. Change the main mode in Flow from image to video and select the frames option. Ensure the aspect ratio is still set to 9:16. Importantly, change the generation quantity to X1. We only need 1 video output per transition, and this helps save your account credits for future projects. For the first video segment, we will focus exclusively on image A and image B. Simply drag and drop image A into the start frame slot and drag image B into the end frame slot. Return to ChatGPT to copy the first video prompt. Paste this prompt into Flow's text box and click Generate. After clicking Generate, wait a few moments for the engine to process the motion. Once complete, your first video segment is ready. This clip shows the smooth transformation from your initial image to the next stage. To maintain the sequence, we will now apply the exact same steps for the second video segment. For this transition, we use image B and image C. Drag image B into the start frame and image C into the end frame. Head back to ChatGPT to copy the second video prompt. Return to Flow, paste the prompt into the generation bar, and click Generate. Follow this same logic for the third video segment using the remaining images to complete your material evolution sequence. Following the same logic, we move to the third and final transition using image C and image D. Simply drag image C into the start frame and image D into the end frame. Paste the third video prompt from ChatGPT into the text box and click Generate. You now have 3 separate, high-quality video clips that represent the full evolution of your subject. The final step is to merge these segments into a single masterpiece. You can use any video editing software like CapCut, Filmora, or your preferred mobile editor. Import the 3 video clips and arrange them on the timeline in chronological order. To ensure a professional finish, trim any unnecessary frames from the beginning or end of each clip. You should also slightly crop the video or zoom in to remove the video watermark. Finally, enhance the flow by adding cinematic transitions and sound effects between the segments. Once you are satisfied with the result, export your video in high resolution, and it is ready to go viral.